50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 46. Unity in Community. Dear God, unite us as a community. Help us to support and uplift one another, creating a safe and inclusive environment for all. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Support initiatives that promote sustainable farming practices and protect soil health.
For unity for a happier world.
Let us promote unity through dialogue, understanding, and empathy, rather than division and conflict.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find meaning in the midst of chaos, to seek inner peace, and to radiate that to others.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.